Yeah, so the other day I picked up some material that I got at a thrift store. I'm trying to put my burnout kiln together as inexpensively as possible. So in the reuse, repair, reduce, recycle vein, I look for things that are either donated, cheap, free, or that I just find on the side of the road. So today I got I got another box of stuff that is, everything has just been kind of coming to me at the right time. Today is this box here. This is a box of soft drinks. This is what I'm going to line the bottom of the burnout kiln. This is going to be the floor. My friends, Sister Jane Mary and Sister Magdala donated this to the cause. I thank them very much. I just happened to say, hey, I'm looking for some soft brick, and they had the box laying around that they were willing to give to me. Perfect. And I'll show you how I do that later for the floor. And then I was at the flea market. I need a knife. And there's a gentleman there who had these real cheap. Oh, it's an unboxing. I should show you the box. What's it say? Doesn't say what it is. Oh, it's from Target. Anyway, it's a It's a fireplace grate. $10. I think there's a tag on here somewhere. Fireplace screen, $59.99. But I got it at the thrift store for $10. Or the flea market. I'm sorry, it was a flea market. So this is what I'm going to use to protect the ceramic blanket KO wool liner, so that the molds don't beat up my liner. Both of these boxes are awesome, and I need them right when I need them. I got these just like 3 days ago. Anyway, hey, thanks for watching my unboxing. I know they're kind of a drag anymore, but I don't know. I still like opening boxes up. Have fun. I'll show you what I'm doing with this stuff here later. See you, bye.